Today, we're taking a deep dive into Good Crypto, a crypto trading bot designed to help traders automate and optimize their strategies. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Good Crypto aims to streamline trading across multiple exchanges while providing advanced analytics, trading signals, and portfolio tracking. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the interface, Good Crypto has a clean, modern design that makes navigation simple. The dashboard gives a clear overview of all connected exchanges, portfolio value, open trades, and available automation options. Users can link their exchange account through API keys, enabling seamless trading across platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and many others. Security measures, such as API key encryption and two-factor authentication, are in place to protect user data. One of the standout features of Good Crypto is its automated trading strategies. Users can set up custom trading bots based on predefined roles, signals, and risk management settings. The bot supports stop-loss, take-profit, trailing stops, and other advanced trading tools to help minimize risk and maximize gains. Additionally, the app provides real-time market data, price alerts, and trade notifications, ensuring users stay informed without constantly monitoring the market. The app also includes a portfolio management system that tracks all assets in real time. This feature is particularly useful for traders managing multiple exchange accounts, as it consolidates balances, trade history, and performance metrics in one place. Users can analyze their trading performance over time, identify profitable strategies, and adjust settings accordingly. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video. One key advantage of Good Crypto is its ability to execute trades quickly based on market conditions. The Trading Signals feature provides insights into potential market movements, allowing users to make informed decisions. Additionally, the app offers advanced order types that aren't always available directly on exchanges, such as trailing stop orders, shadow orders, and TWAP execution strategies. These tools can give traders a competitive edge in volatile markets. Pricing is another important factor to consider. Good Crypto offers a free version with limited features, while the premium plan unlocks more automation, alerts, and advanced order types. Compared to other trading bots on the market, Good Crypto provides a well-balanced offering, but whether the premium features justify the cost depends on your trading volume and strategy. Overall, Good Crypto is a powerful tool for traders looking to automate and optimize their strategies. The user-friendly interface, extensive automation features, and strong security measures make it a solid choice. However, as with any trading bot, results will vary depending on market conditions and how effectively you set up your strategies. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto trading insights.